Hello and welcome back to episode 4 of Getting Comfortable with Meal Garden. In this episode, we're going to take a look at the mobile app. I'm Jeff, your onboarding specialist and the co-founder here at Meal Garden, and that's Marty and Harvey. It looks like they're about to dive into their first assignment as recipe testers for Meal Garden, so let's hope that works out great for them. A quick recap. You're working with a leading health and wellness professional. You're both using the Meal Garden platform to exchange information and to make nutrition and improving your nutrition habits easier, okay? Every Meal Garden is a little different. So even though the color might be different, the fonts might be different, logos, those things might be different, all the capabilities are the same. The underlying technology is all the same. In this episode, we're going to look at adding the mobile app to your phone, how to navigate the mobile app, scheduling on the mobile app, and shopping on the mobile app, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to hop in here. Now, I don't have an Android phone. I use an iPhone. So if you do use an Android phone, like a Samsung is probably the most popular kind, you're going to launch your Chrome browser to get to the app, okay? There's no app store for the Meal Garden app. It's over the browser. So you're going to launch your Chrome browser. This is the icon you're looking for. You click on that. You're going to go ahead and log into Meal Garden. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on the menu bar down in the corner. You're going to click on Add to Home Screen. Then it's going to launch this prompt from your phone that says add. You say yep, and then you're going to add that icon and you're done. That's how it works, okay? So for iPhone, it's a little different. And since I have an iPhone, we're going to take a look at using my phone and I'll show you how to navigate it. All the capabilities are the same in an iPhone or in an Android phone. So it's the same capabilities, okay? So let's get over there and take a look. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is log in, right? So you're going to go to Meal Garden, you're going to log in. And then what you're going to do is you see this button down on the bottom right there. And this is the note, which will be ever present, but you click on this little button. You go add to home screen. You go add to home screen. Okay, so now we're at it. Now on iPhone, it's a little tricky. Because it's going to ask us to log back in. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to hit log in. And away you go. You may run into an error message that says something. Just click on go to homepage and you'll be fine. There's a little bit of a glitch with PWAs and iPhones, but if you don't run into it, great. If you do, don't sweat it. It's fine. So here we are. And what we're going to do is we're just going to click on recommendations. I'm going to scroll down and you're going to see it's very similar to the desktop experience. So you have your meal plans, your resources. Let's click on a resource. See the content, click back, right? If you click here, you have some settings that you can look at and you can go home, right? So if we go to schedule, it's the same idea. We click on the little button. We have all the options across the top. It's already defaulted to breakfast. Click here. Click schedule. Right, it's that easy. Now, the other thing that we can do is we can go into our recommendations. We actually click on this plan, schedule, and this will schedule the whole plan. So I'm going to say next week. Very similar to the desktop, same capabilities, very similar look and feel. It's just all on your phone. There we go. So I'll go back. That's the thing that's the most useful. I think one of the most useful things on the phone is shopping. So we can go in here. We have our shopping list. If you want to do some editing to the list, you can go ahead and do that. See, this pops up so you can remove, right? Very straightforward. If you want to filter the list for the different days, you can go ahead and do that. You see it up here in the top. You can change weeks. If you have a store, click here, right? Very straightforward. And when you're shopping, you just click and turn off aisles if you want. And you just shop. It's very straightforward, very easy to use. And that's really it. That's how you get it going. Okay. All right. So that's the mobile app. We added it to our phone, Android and Apple. Showed you how to navigate, looked at scheduling, and took a look at shopping, which clearly has 2 P's, but not at Meal Garden, I guess. So the question is, what next? And the last episode we have here is working with recipes. So we'll see you over there and working with recipes. If you have any questions or want to leave a comment, please do. Congratulations on your journey so far, and a healthy life is a better life. So we'll see you over in episode 5. Take care.